tangata whai mana tika a Hineātea Alexander.
I think there should be, more justice in the world and definitely more equity. Currently, what's going on in the news right now is around equity and pay equity isn't very good.
Koinei te take ai I uratuia I te Pāremata Rangatahi.
Hoping to have a really good idea of how our government functions is something I really want to be aware of, just truly the inner workings of it and what it would be like to be a part of that, possibly in the future.
Nō tēnei marama I pānuitia ngā ingoa o ngā mema o te Pāremata Rangatahi mo Aotearoa. E ai kia Alexander I tūtaki ia I a Tākuta Duncan Webb I te wā I tuku kōrero ai ia mo te pire mo ngā mātāpono o te tiriti. Nō nāia nei, ko Alexander te Mema Pāremata Rangatahi mo te rōpū reipa I tōna rohe.
I come from a pretty labour-heavy house, I might say, but specifically Duncan would be because of his beliefs around justice and equity. It really spoke to me.
Hineātea was a standout. She is really articulate and passionate, and I kind of think it's good to look for people who bring something fresh and new and who would conceivably one day make a great MP, and I think she's got all those qualities.
Nō te tau ko tahi mano e iwarau iwa te kaumawha I tīmata ai ngā Pāremata Rangatahi Aotearoa nei. Hea heinga tēnei kia ako ai ngā rangatahi I te mahi manapori. E kotahi rau rua te kaumātoru ngā Mema Pāremata Rangatahi I tēnei tau.
We talked about issues. We had to do one on what we thought were the two most important things a leader should have, and we thought a leader should be empathetic and very okay with criticism and very open and accepting to just anything anyone would say.
It's just about understanding all of what it means to be an MP, all of those things that a lot of people don't see.
Nō tēnei marama I whakarereke te kāwanatanga I te ture tauri te utu a ka uaua ake mō ngā kaimahi ko te nuinga he wahine, te whawhai mō te utu orite. Ko tā Tākuta Duncan Webb, ahakoa e nei taumaha he akoranga nui mō ngā Mema Pāremata Rangatahi.
The political environment now is one which feels frankly a little bit dire, that we really need to see some change that puts people rather than business first. Whilst being my youth MP you don't have to believe everything I believe. It's important, I think, to recognise this is a political environment where we think really hard about how we make New Zealand better for everyone.
Kia ora, I'm Hineātea Alexander, I'm Duncan Webb's Youth MP 2025.
Kia ora, good to see you all here.
Nā, e ai kia Alexander, koinei te wā mōna kia kimi te āhua o tāna namata.
Working with Duncan is great. He's super chill and, he's really helpful with everything. And so far, I am enjoying politics, but, we'll just see what life entails, see what it holds.
Ka huri te aroa Alexander ki tōna kaupapa kōrero mō te wā katuku kōrero ki te Pāremata Rangatahi. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.